Okay, students, good morning. Meet again with Monica in English subject. Ketemu lagi dengan Monica di pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. On today's lesson, we are going to discuss this kind of a dialogue. You are going to guess, you are going to guess about this dialogue. Where does the dialogue happen? Okay, kira-kira dialognya terjadi di mana? Okay, there are an example about the dialogue here, okay, about two persons, the waiter and the kid. So you need to guess now, where does the waiter work? Kira-kira waiter itu bekerja di mana ya, gitu ya. And then who is Kim? Nah, Kim itu siapa? Okay, we are going to, practice about the dialogue here. Okay, try to pay attention on my example about the dialogues, okay? Monica will not try to say about the persons here because Monica told you before that there are two persons in this dialogue between a waiter and Kim. But as the students, you need to guess, where does the waiter work? Kira-kira seorang waiter itu bekerja di mana? And who is Kim here? Okay, now please try to pay attention on the dialogue. Monica will try to read the dialogue between the waiter and Kim. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I'd like to have some lunch. What would you like to start? Yes, I'd like to order a French fries, please. And what would you like for your main course? I'd like a grilled cheese sandwich. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like a glass of Coke, please. After Kim has her lunch, and then the waiter, can I bring you anything else? No, thank you. Just the bill. Certainly. I don't have my glasses. How much is the lunch? That's a $6.75. Here you are. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you. You too. Okay. When you try to take a look at this dialogue, ketika kita melihat dialog ini, ketika the waiter try to ask for the first time by saying hello, kemudian the waiter says, can I help you? Apa yang bisa saya bantu? And then Kim try to answer by saying, yes, I'd like to have some lunch. I believe that all of you, my students here, know about lunch. Ya, tahu ya semuanya lunch. Lunch itu berarti apa? Okay, that's right. That is makan siang. Okay. And then when we talk about makan siang, and then the waiter asks about, can I help you? So can you guess, where does the dialogue happen? Okay, very good. The dialogue happens in a restaurant or at the restaurant. Okay, very good. This one came as the guest, came as the guest of the restaurant, and then the waiter here is someone who works at the restaurant. Okay, he tries to serve the guest, the guest order. Ya, dia berusaha untuk menyajikan apa yang dipesan oleh tamu. This is the waiter. Okay. And now the waiter try to ask again, can I help you? Apa yang bisa saya bantu? Kemudian Kim menjawab seperti itu. The waiter asks again, what would you like to store? This is the expression from the restaurant. You try to take a look at the expression that the waiter use on the restaurant. Kalian mencoba memperhatikan sekarang expression yang digunakan oleh waiter ketika menawarkan sesuatu kepada the guest, kepada si tamu. Like the first expression by saying, can I help you? And then the second expression, what would you like to start? Okay, mau mulai dengan apa tuan? Gitu ya. Okay. And then Kim try to answer by, yes, I'd like to order French fries, please. Kimnya meminta untuk apa itu? French fries, ya. Kentang goreng gitu ya. Kemudian, and then, what would you like for your main course? This is the third expression. Expression yang ketiga yang digunakan oleh the waiter. Try to ask about the main course. Okay. And then the next expression, would you like anything to drink? Menawarkan minuman, gitu ya. Mau minum apa, gitu ya. And then another expression, can I bring you anything else? Ada yang bisa saya bawakan lagi untuk Anda? Kemudian, Kim just try to answer, no thank you, just the bill. Okay, I believe that all of you try to find out the meaning of the bill. What is bill, gitu ya? Apa itu bill, gitu ya? Bill berarti kan rincian biayanya, gitu ya. And then the total cost, ya, total biayanya adalah $6.75. Okay, student, this is just an example of the dialogue which happens on the restaurant. So we are going to know more about some expression, another expression used by the waiter and also the guest in trying to make a conversation or a short conversation in a restaurant. Kita akan tahu lagi ya beberapa ekspresi yang bisa digunakan ketika kalian berbincang-bincang atau melakukan percakapan dengan the waiter, yaitu pelayan yang ada di restoran. Oke, this is just an example, ya, ini hanya contoh dan kita contohkan sedikit, kalian nanti akan tahu lebih banyak. Oke, now we are going to guess now if we discuss about this, we discuss about the dialogue at the restaurant. So of course, our learning today is about ordering food in a restaurant. Yeah, so we come at the last meeting of us, about meeting 14, before the final exam for next week. Ya, jadi besok sudah mulai ujian akhir. Okay, the next slide. Mamika will show you again about some of the most important questions made by the people who works in a restaurant. Mamika akan kasihkan lagi beberapa contoh, yaitu beberapa pertanyaan yang disampaikan oleh orang yang bekerja di restoran, ya, bisa the waiter atau bisa lainnya, mungkin the owner of the restoran, ya, ketika menemui pertama kali, ya, gitu kan. Okay, there are 12 expressions here, ada 12 expression yang bisa digunakan untuk kalian, misalnya, ada yang menjadi, suatu saat menjadi the waiter of the restaurant, ya, di international restaurant, maybe, gitu ya, mungkin di restoran international, and then you have to speak English with the guests, ya, so you can use those kinds of expression. Kalian bisa menggunakan beberapa ekspresi yang ada di sini. Okay, we are going to take a look for number 1, the first expression. Would you like to start with a drink? Okay. If we have a questions expression, of course the intonation must be raising. Jadi kalau ada kalimat dengan menggunakan tanda tanya, intonasinya naik, gitu ya. Juga bukan turun, tetapi harus naik. Would you like to start with a drink? Gitu ya, with a drink, naik, gitu ya. And then the second expression, would you like to taste the wine? Okay. Would you like to taste the wine? Biasanya anggur itu kalau di musim dingin itu untuk menghangatkan badan, gitu ya. Okay, the next expression for number 3, can I take your order? Okay, kira-kira mau pesan apa? Bisa sama saya ambil pesanannya, ya. Okay, and then the fourth expression, are you ready to order? Ekspresi yang keempat, sudah siapkah memesan tuan, nyonya, gitu ya. And then the fifth, can I get you a drink? Okay, bisakah saya ambilkan minuman, gitu ya. Kemudian mulai pesan, gitu ya. The sixth expression yang keenam, can I get a drink for you all? Ya, berarti untuk semuanya, misalnya more than one, berarti menggunakan ini, gitu ya, tidak hanya satu orang. Tapi lebih dari satu orang. Can I get a drink for you all? Okay. And then the second expression, would you all like to order a drink now? Apakah akan minum sekarang? Ya, jadi apakah semuanya akan minum sekarang saat ini, gitu ya? Would you all like to order a drink now? Okay, would you all like, gitu ya. Would you all like to order a drink now? Okay. And then, what drinks would you like? Expression number 8. Expression nomor 8. What drinks would you like? Bisa seperti itu. Ya, kira-kira minuman apa yang disukai? What drinks would you like? Gitu ya. And then number 9. Do you have questions about the menu? Okay. Do you have questions about the menu? Okay. Ada pertanyaan untuk menunya? Oke, gitu ya. Jadi menawarkan sesuatu. Itu the waiternya. And the expression number 10, do you want the combo meal? Yeah, try to, offer about one of the special thing from the restaurant, gitu ya, menawarkan sesuatu yang spesial dari restoran itu boleh, gitu ya. Do you want the combo meal? Nah, oke, boleh seperti itu. Menawarkan misalnya yang spesial, ya, yang spesial misalnya di restoran itu spesialnya adalah fried rice misalnya seperti itu. Do you want the fried rice? Nah, misalnya seperti itu boleh. And then the 11th, how would you like your meat cooked? How would you like your meat cooked? Ini menanyakan mengenai bagaimana misalnya menu daging ya, di sini meat gitu ya. Bagaimana dagingnya dimasak gitu ya. Jadi dagingnya minta seperti apa? Minta matang, minta setengah matang, nah, seperti itu ya. Itu bisa dijawab dari pertanyaan ini ya. Jadi dagingnya mau yang bagaimana gitu ya. Jadi masakan dagingnya mau yang seperti apa gitu ya. Jadi mau setengah matang atau mau matang sekali gitu ya. Itu bisa gitu. Oke, kemudian expression number 12, we can ask how would you like your eggs cooked? Sama ya dengan yang expression nomor 11, yaitu bagaimana telurnya dimasak, mau matang, setengah matang, nah seperti itu. Oke, ya, seperti yang meat cook berarti dagingnya dimasak bagaimana, telurnya dimasak bagaimana. Expression number 11 and number 12 berarti kalau misalnya matang berarti well done gitu ya. Itu berarti oh, I need a well done meat gitu ya, berarti dagingnya masak gitu kan. Kemudian kalau dagingnya dagingnya setengah matang berarti halved ya, pakainya halved cook, berarti setengah matang. Kalau half boiled berarti rebusannya setengah matang. Biasanya kalau telur itu half boiled ya, jadi setengah matang gitu. Okay, next continue to the next expression. There are 12 expression that you can use to ask ya. Jadi ada 12 ekspresi yang bisa digunakan untuk bertanya sebagai pegawai di restoran. Nah, seperti itu. But many others ya. Bisa lagi ada beberapa hal, tapi ini contohnya. And then the next, we come to the next expression. Kita masuk ke expression yang berikutnya adalah some questions made by the people who order food in a restaurant. Jadi ini expression yang bisa digunakan oleh orang yang menjadi the guest, menjadi tamu di restoran. Jadi dia mau pesan gitu ya. So ordering food, okay? The guest can order the food by saying, jadi tamunya itu bisa memesan makanan itu dengan cara, there are seven questions that you can use, you may choose ya, boleh memilih ada 7. What would you recommend? Ya, kamu mau menawarkan apa? Ya, and then the second expression, what are the specialties? Ya, jadi yang yang spesial di sini apa ya? Okay, and then the fourth expression, what are the today's specials? Hari ini ada yang spesial enggak? Ya, and then the fourth expression, can we have the bill, please? Bisa saya minta rincian biayanya, gitu ya, billnya. And then 5, can we have the check, please? Ya, kita bisa cek itu berarti daftarnya, biayanya, gitu ya, sama dengan bill. And then what do you have? Oke, kamu punya apa di sini di restoran ini? And then the last expression, can we have a table for two? Bolehkah saya pesan satu meja untuk berdua, gitu ya? Bisa satu meja untuk berempat, satu meja untuk bersepuluh. Oke, bisa mengerjakan can we have dengan menggunakan expression can we have a table for two, can we have a table for four, can we have a table for eight, can we have a table for 10, oke? Jadi kalau misalnya anggota keluarganya 10 berarti meja bersepuluh, bisa enggak pesan dulu reservasi ya, bisa pesan. Oke, this is the expression yang bisa digunakan sebagai tamunya ya, untuk meminta sesuatu ya. Di sini ada yang direkomendasikan apa? Menu apa? Gitu ya. Kemudian the waiternya baru kasih menunya gitu kan. Nah, ini. Kemudian kalau ditanya what are the specialties gitu ya. Kira-kira yang spesial di sini apa saja? Gitu ya, baru nanti the waiternya menjawab. Oke, 7 expression that you can use ya. Jadi pertama masuk boleh memesan meja untuk berapa dulu gitu ya. Can we have a table for two? Can we have a table for four? Okay, that's one. This is an expression that you can use as the guest of the restaurant. And then next, yeah, the next expression, this is about some useful sentences to order food in English. Sekarang bukan question tetapi kalimat bentuknya. Jadi kalimat yang bisa digunakan untuk memesan makanan. Ya, kalian bisa start dari lingkaran yang pertama di sini di atas. I'd like a cheese pizza please. Ya, selain itu juga boleh masuk pesannya cuman cheese pizza gitu ya. Kan makanan di Indonesia mungkin tidak ada pizza. Bisa makan mana? Ya, in Indonesia I like what is it? I'd like orange juice please gitu ya. Misalnya minta minum dulu boleh. I'd like a plate of fried rice please ya. Saya minta satu piring nasi goreng aja. Nah, seperti itu. Boleh. Itu cara untuk memesannya. I like please, dikasih please di belakangnya gitu ya. Untuk menyupankan gitu ya, memberikan kriteria penekanan untuk bisa lebih sopan. And then the second sentences that you can use, I'm going to have the eggs and toast. Saya mau minta telur sama toast gitu ya. Oke. Boleh yang lainnya, misalnya egg-nya diganti apa, toast-nya diganti apa, boleh. I'm going to have a plate of fried rice and a glass of tea, a glass of iced tea, misalnya seperti itu. Boleh. Ya, biasanya nasi goreng sama es teh gitu ya. Okay, and then the fifth expression is I'll get the coconut ice cream. Biasanya untuk dessert itu ya, jadi untuk makanan penutup biasanya ice cream, ada kue gitu ya, itu untuk dessert. Okay, I'll get the coconut ice cream. Okay, atau I'll get the ice cream boleh. I'll get the chocolate cake boleh. Saya roti coklat aja. Nah, seperti itu. Okay, and then the next here, on the next circle, I'll take the burger. Okay, saya mau minta burger saja. Boleh dengan singkat langsung seperti ini. I'll take the burger. Ya, I'll take fried rice. I'll take meatball. Saya minta bakso saja. Ya. And then the last expression, I'm going to take the hot chocolate. Oke, coklat panas ya, minuman biasanya kalau seperti ini ya. Oke, I'm going to take an orange juice, boleh. I like to take a mango juice, boleh. I like to take the hot chocolate, the hot coffee, boleh ya. Jadi menggunakan minta kopi. Oke, jadi ini beberapa expression yang bisa digunakan ya. Jadi ini bentuknya adalah langsung sentences. That is not about the question, but this is in a sentences. Dengan menggunakan I'd like, I'm going to, I'll take, ya, I'll get, ya, bisa menggunakan seperti itu. Jadi ada I'll take, ada I'll get, ada I'm going to have, ada boleh I'd like atau I'm going to take, boleh ya. Oke, kemudian kita lanjutkan yaitu next one. Oke. Mereka need you to watch the video for a while. Mereka ingin kalian melihat video sebentar gitu ya. And then you try to watch the film, concentrate on the film, yeah. And then you have to know the real conversation between the guest and the waiter in a restaurant. Okay, let's try to watch, yeah, the video. Memeka will play the video only once. Okay, let's watch together.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like a table for 4, please.
Of course. Please follow me. Here is a table for 4.
Thank you. Could you give us the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything to drink?
Just water for me.
I'll have a lemonade.
I'll have a milkshake.
I'll have an orange juice.
Great. I'll be right back. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I'll have the grilled chicken and a salad.
Would you like a starter, sir?
Yes, I'd like the vegetable soup.
For starter, I'd like the vegetable soup. For the main course, I'd like the grilled fish.
I'll have the chicken soup and a lasagna.
I'll have the chicken soup, the grilled chicken and some salad.
Excellent. I'll be right back.
It smells so great.
I am so hungry and I want to eat, but the soup is so hot, I can barely touch it.
Wait for it to cool down before you eat it.
The grilled chicken tastes delicious, doesn't it, Paul?
Yes, Dad, it does indeed.
What about your lasagna, Amy?
I love it. It's my favorite dish.
Great.
How's your fish, Mom?
It's excellent. I'm so glad we came to this restaurant. Could you please pass me the salt, Paul?
Here you are, Mom.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was wonderful, thank you.
Would you like something for dessert?
Yes, for dessert, I'll have ice cream, please.
I'll have the chocolate cake.
I'll have ice cream.
I'll have the cheesecake, please.
Everything looks great. Let's eat the desserts.
Dad, I'm thirsty. I would like to drink some water.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
could you bring my son a glass of water, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Can I bring you anything else?
No, thank you. Just the bill.
Okay, sir. I'll be right back with the bill.
Oke, setelah kalian menonton video tadi ya, the guest tried to come to the restaurant and then the waiter tried to serve them well ya. Mereka datang ke restoran dan waiternya menyajikan sesuatu dengan baik. Oke, mereka will try to give you some questions ya as the practice at home ya, as the practice for you, for each students at home to prepare answering ya. Jadi untuk menyiapkan jawabannya mungkin nanti keluar gitu ya. Okay, you have to answer 10 questions here based on the video that I show you ya. Ada 10 pertanyaan. The first is about what does the family order in a restaurant for the first time. Okay. And then the second question, what question does father ask after sitting on their seats? Okay, you have to guess in bahasa Indonesia what is it, and then what does mother want to drink for number 3, and number 4, what does father want for his starter. Starter berarti makanan pemulanya gitu ya. What does the boy want to start dinner? Okay, and then what does father say about the meal? Yeah, and then what does the little girl want for the dessert? Okay, kira-kira untuk makanan penutupnya butuh apa gitu ya si cewek ini. And what does father tell to the waiters in a restaurant? Apa yang dikatakan ayah kepada si pelayan di restoran. Okay, and what does the boy ask for the dessert? Okay, laki-laki, anak laki-lakinya butuh apa gitu ya. And then what does father say to the waiters after enjoying the meal? Okay, this one there are 10 questions as you practice at home. Yeah, it's not necessary to answer in a comment, but yeah, there are some other questions that you have to answer for the comment of the video. Tetapi untuk yang pertanyaan 10 atas itu tidak perlu dijawab di komen, itu hanya untuk latihan di rumah. Nah sekarang there are 5 questions that Memeka delivers to you. Ya, ada 5 pertanyaan lagi yang harus Anda jawab untuk di komentar dari video ini. Okay, you have to answer in a comment of the video. As usual, menjawabnya harus diberi nama sama name. Ya, tidak boleh ketinggalan nama sama name-nya, gitu kan? Kemudian, there are 5 questions here that you have to answer. Jadi ada 5 yang harus dijawab, dan 5 jawaban itu semuanya jawabannya adalah expressions on the video. Jadi expressions yang digunakan di videonya. Okay, the first expression is about how does the waiter ask the guest of the restaurant. Bagaimana caranya tadi si pelayan untuk bertanya kepada tamu di restoran. Kemudian yang kedua, how does the guest ask the menu? Bagaimana tamu itu menanyakan menunya, expressionnya bagaimana. And then the third, how does the waiter ask about the drink? Oke, caranya gimana tadi, expressionnya pakai apa? Ya, menanyakan minum, gitu ya. Kemudian yang keempat, how does the waiter ask for the starter? Bagaimana cara menanyakan makanan pemulanya? Dan yang terakhir, how does the waiter ask for the meal after the guest finish eating? Ya, jadi apa yang ditanyakan pelayan di akhir setelah menikmati makanan? Ya, jadi setelah menikmati makanan itu, waiternya tanya apa tadi expressionnya, gitu ya. Oke, jadi jawabannya semuanya adalah expression 5 only, and then write down, tulis di komentar video, ya. Dan komentar Memeka tunggu sampai dengan pukul 16.00, jam 4 sore. Jadi jam 4 sore adalah batas akhir menjawab komen, ya. Jadi nama, name, baru jawaban, seperti biasa. Okay, this one, yeah, this is about your assignment today, yeah, about our material, yeah, mengenai materi kita hari ini. That is about ordering food in the restaurant. Okay, students, I think that this is our material, yeah. Please try to study hard before the final exam. The material will be started after UTS until this is the last material, yeah. Okay, please study hard. Thank you so much. I hope that you can learn more. Yeah, you have to take something from our learning today. Bisa mengambil sesuatu dari pembelajaran hari ini. Thank you so much and see you again next time. Okay, thanks a lot. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.